Today we're going to play the AR Blaster game by Sharper Image. This game's called Hunting Warrior. It's a virtual reality game you play on your cell phone with Bluetooth. Here is your gun. See where the holder is there for your phone. Slip your phone in there. Now you gotta be sure your Bluetooth on your phone's turned on so it'll recognize the gun. Sorry, I don't want you to see my password. Alright, let's go up here. Turn on Bluetooth. Let it recognize the gun. Sometimes you pull the trigger a couple times. Makes it see it quicker. Alright, let's go find the software that came with it. Right there, AR. By the way, this is a free software. You download it after you buy the gun. I got my gun at Walmart. I think it was like $9.95. And it is virtual reality. You need to move your phone around after it loads. See that gun at the bottom there? It's looking for the gun. There it is. Alright, let's see what we can do here now. There's all the games. Hit that first one. That's for the AR gun. A lot of games. I have some of these games already up here if you want to go see them. They're in the playlist. Get that. Let's see. Load. Some games are a little hard to get to load sometimes, but we'll move around till we find one that will load. Alright, let's find that Hunting Warrior game. Push that AR gun, it helps to load. Sure you're on the right gun. There it is. Hunting Warrior. Oh, it's loading. Alright. There it is. Ooh, what's that? Bears, lion, tiger, wolves, I guess it was. Let's find something to shoot at here. Move around some. Well, I ain't seen nothing yet. Fire a shot there. I'm hitting that side of that hill. See that spot? There's a bear. Alright, shoot him. Alright. Ooh, he got me, didn't he? So I didn't shoot him fast enough. Something's getting me. See the red around me? There's a wolf. Get him, get him. Oh, I'm not too fast, am I? Takes some getting used to playing this game, moving around. They come at you from behind sometimes, it looks like. Wow. They're well hidden, aren't they? You can see I'm moving around the room. There's a bear again. Shoot him. Two of them. Golly, get him. There's a wolf. I got the wolf. Alright. Looks like something got me though. Look at the red around the screen. That's me, I think. I got 150 points, didn't I? Well, let's hit that arrow and we'll go back to the menu. Want to quit the game? Yes, think so. Alright, it's putting us back on where all the games are. I guess you call it the menu. There they are. Alright, you can load more or go back to your phone, whichever you want to do. I'm going back to the phone. Hit the home button. And we will see you next time.